Doing?
It's say it, dude. Watermelon chicken for the win.
Straight to it.
Yeah. She ain't as big.
Where's your phone go?
She's pretty in my butt.
Okay, we're going in.
Oh God. Deeper.
Got your finger.
That one's almost 120. What you got?
Going, going. Oh. Get that damn shotgun on though. It's heavy. So I'm not even on the bottom, so I don't know. Whip.
And now we got Chad on a fish.
Bam.
Step back a little bit. Got him. Chad on another one. He's coming up. That's a big son of a bitch. Holy shit, Chad. That is a big son of a bitch. 27. Fucking hey. Hold on. Leave this shit. Put him up higher. There we go. Beautiful. Let's put him back in the water. Reel him up and go back through there.